In 2026, the world of spatial computing is hitting a fever pitch. We aren't just looking at another iterative update. We are looking at the device that could finally bridge the gap between VR toy and life essential. This is the Meta Quest 4. Imagine a device that doesn't just put you in a game, but maps your reality with such precision that the digital world becomes indistinguishable from the physical one. While the Quest 3 laid the groundwork, the Quest 4, codenamed Griffin, is built to solve the three biggest problems that have plagued VR since day one: comfort, clarity, and the loneliness factor. For the first time, Meta is splitting its flagship line. We are hearing reports of two distinct models: a budget-friendly Quest 4S and a premium Quest 4 High. But let's focus on the beast. The premium Quest 4 is rumored to feature 4K Micro-OLED displays. This is the Vision Pro killer moment. We're talking about nearly 3,200 pixels per eye, offering a level of text clarity that finally makes the virtual office a viable 8-hour reality. No more screen door effect, no more blurry text, just pure, retina-level immersion. But pixels are nothing without the brain to drive them. The Quest 4 is set to debut the Snapdragon XR2 Gen 3. This chip is built on a 3nm architecture, delivering a 50% boost in GPU performance while actually drawing less power. This efficiency is what allows the Quest 4 to be thinner and lighter. Leaked designs suggest a split battery approach, where the heavy battery is moved to the back of the strap, creating a perfect 50-50 weight distribution. You can wear this for 3 hours and forget it's on your head. What truly sets the Quest 4 apart is the return of the Pro features. Eye and face tracking are no longer reserved for the $1,000 plus models. By bringing eye tracking to the base Quest 4, Meta is enabling foveated rendering. This means the headset only renders the highest resolution exactly where your pupil is looking, allowing the chip to push graphics that look like they're coming from a high-end PC. It also means hand tracking 2.0 becomes supercharged. You won't just move your hands. The headset will track your eye intent, making every interaction feel like telekinesis. And then there's the neural band. 2026 is the year Meta's billion-dollar bet on EMG technology pays off. Imagine a wristband that reads the electrical signals from your brain to your fingers. You don't even have to move your hand. Just the intent to click is enough. This turns the Quest 4 from a gaming console into a discrete productivity machine. You could be on a train, hands in your lap, navigating a 100-inch virtual screen with just your thoughts. Socially, the Quest 4 is doubling down on codec avatars. Using the internal face tracking cameras, the Quest 4 can project a photorealistic version of you into a digital space. We're moving past the legless cartoons of Horizon Worlds. When you talk to someone in the Quest 4, you'll see their real expressions, their real micro-smirks, and their real personality. This is the human connection update that the US market has been waiting for. But the competition isn't sitting still. Apple's Vision Pro 2 is rumored to be dropping in weight, and Valve's Steam Frame is looming. Meta's response is a gaming-first ecosystem. With a rumored partnership with Xbox for native Game Pass Spatial, the Quest 4 becomes the ultimate 3D gaming monitor. You're not just playing Halo, you're standing on the ring. Price-wise, Meta is playing a dangerous game.